We're supposed to get a lot of snow today, so I thought it would be fun to show you how to make my DIY snowman out of all reused materials. He is so cute and he's so much fun to make, and it's a perfect project for a snowy day. I just love this little guy. For the snowman, I'm going to be reusing a Williams-Sonoma bag because it's white, and the tin I got the hot chocolate in, it's empty, and that's going to be the body of the snowman. I'm using the same technique I would use to wrap a cylinder gift, and I'm going to show you how. I'm using hot glue to secure instead of tape because a paper bag is very thick. Cut even slits in the bottom of the bag. Do this on the top and the bottom of the cylinder. Fold each flap over each other. I'm folding it in really tight so I can have the rounded edge. Now that you have this down, so what we're going to do is we're going to glue it, the loose pieces. There you go. Looks very nice. So I like to go around and make sure all the seams are good. Now that it's wrapped, we have to make a face. We need to decorate it. So I think I'm going to do this. I like this side because you can't see any of the pattern there, and the seam is okay. So I wanted to make some eyes. These might be too big. I used a water bottle lid or a soda bottle lid. Trace those. Cut them out. I'm not sure if they're going to be too big, but we'll find out. I'm going to cut these out so we see how they look. Make a cute little guy. You'll see what I'm talking about. Cut out the eyes in a piece of craft foam. Put this on here. And I want to do an eye shine because I think it really makes it look really nice when you do it. So I'm going to find a scrap piece of something like cardstock and make the eye shine. I like using scrap pieces of whatever I have because he's really cute. Right now he kind of looks like a bird though. I don't think he looks like a snowman. It's kind of where I'm going, but we'll see. We got to make him not look like a bird. Yeah, I think the carrot nose kind of looks more like a beak right now, but maybe it's too pointed. And now think about that. Take a piece of cardstock, use this hole puncher. Because I'm reusing, I'm not going to use anything new. So I want to show you how you can use stuff you already have. That's the whole purpose of this. There we go. He looks much cuter now. Should we do two or just one? I think I like one. I don't know, that beak, it looks like a beak. I don't want it to look like a beak. I already made this one. I still think it looks like a beak. I don't know. I think this looks more like a beak though. It's so cute, but I want it to look like a carrot. That looks more like a carrot. He's not as cute though. I think it's too long. Now I found pom-poms. He looks like a plushie. Then there's another one. He looks really cute. Doesn't look like a snowman. Then there's the beak and the carrot. We'll see. These I want to do the eye shine. I have this leftover felt from when I made stockings. And I'm going to use it to make a hat. So I'm going to cut this. I'm just using this leftover piece that I had. It's going to be super cute. Because it's a hat, you don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just going to cut this. This is the fun part. You just play with things until you get what you want. I'm just going to glue it. And we're going to tie it together. Glue this together. You can probably use craft glue or whatever you have. Just look on the back and see if it works with fabric. Now this is dry, you can turn it inside out. Just be gentle with it. It's probably still drying a little bit. And you have your hat. Look how cute that is. Super cute. You can put it up like that. Let's see what it looks like. Little winter hat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cinch the top, take a twist tie, just wrap it around. This will make the hat look more full. Just twist it around. And you got your top. That looks really cute. I decided to use this ribbon as the scarf, so I'm going to cut this. I'm not sure if I'm going to make any kind of slits in it. I'm going to look like a scarf. Could do that. Looks like a scarf. And no, I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Okay, I finished the eyes and I put them on with double stick tape because I really wanted to see if I was happy with them, and I am. So I'm going to glue them on. I'm going to leave it the way it is right now and just attach it with a little bit of glue. Because I'm happy where the eyes are, because you don't want to move them because then the face will look different. Just glue this one on. Now I'm going to put some buttons on, and I'm just going to use some regular craft glue because I use hot glue. I don't want them the way they are. I can't adjust them. Put some buttons on. These are buttons I already had, so I'm reusing these. You can use anything you want to make buttons, but I have this, so I'm going to use it. I'm just going to glue this down a little bit because I like this is wired because it can look like it's blowing in the wind. I'm going to glue it down just a little bit. I'm going up a little higher so he stays warm. Put this down so it doesn't slide. There he is. Little reused paper bag. This was the before. And this is the after. Everything I used on here is things that I already have, and the hat can be removed, so it can be saved and used. And that's it. Isn't it cute? But I wanted to add one little thing to the hat. I'm just putting the hat on. So cute. I like this little guy. I wanted to add a cotton ball. So you don't have to have big pom-poms for this. Just find a cotton ball. I think that would have looked really cute. Just add something. I'm going to just put some hot glue on there. It's amazing what you have around the house you can use to make this stuff. You can use a pom-pom, but I'm just showing you how to use things you may already have around your house to make it easy. You don't have to go out and buy a bunch of stuff. Use what you have. Didn't he come out adorable? Let me know what you think. Let me know what DIY you'd like to see me make next. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps my channel, and I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!